Functionalism may build a house for the body, but not a home for the soul.
I'm Sebastian Rauch, co-founder and designer at Karak.
Karak is a tile manufacturing company where we combine traditional craftsmanship with modern design. Every aspect of production is done by hand from beginning to end. Our mantra at Karak is the balance between chaos and order. How much structure is needed for people to flourish, and how much chaos is allowed to let new ideas emerge. One of our special features is the Japanese raku firing technique. You take the tiles out of the kiln when they are red hot and cover them with sawdust. Once removed, the material ignites, affecting glaze and color. The outcome is totally random. No two tiles are ever identical. Our perfection lies in this imperfection. In my design world, I prefer slim and simple designs. Once this principle is in play, I like to stack up multiple layers. After that, I begin removing layers until I arrive at a design that satisfies me. I find inspiration almost everywhere. When I'm traveling, or looking at art, architecture, or visiting an exhibition. I always have an open state of mind. When inspiration strikes, I simply embrace it. But a lot of inspiration comes from conversation with my friend Thomas. It mostly starts out unrelated, and more often than not, we finish with an idea for a new project. My current project is the design of the LEGRABOX. The inspiration for it came from an experimentation with tactile sensibility. We wanted to produce a ceramic relief design that you can touch, that has a distinct feel. We wanted to play with the effect of light and shadow, to see how the ornament reshapes with changing light.